Hello, hello. It is time for another Dollar Tree haul. And yes, we are entering into the holiday season. So I have a few things that I want to tell all of you. The first one is that every day for the next 65 days, there's going to be a new video. Either it will be a Dollar Tree haul, information at some of your favorite stores showing what you don't want to miss, along with a lot of DIYs and giveaways. I must apologize that I didn't even think of this when I did my giveaway with the little Mummy Boo box. What I have to say is that the winner wanted it to go to a child, and I went into the breast cancer group and I found a little girl. Her name is Aura. If any of you would like to follow her or maybe send her a little gift, you can search Aura's Shooting Star. She has stage 4 brain cancer and she is going to need our support. So if you want to go there, that is the name of the site. I will post it below so that you can go and follow her, cheer her up, send her a little gift. She just got her port put in, so it was hard for me as an adult to go through that. So I can't imagine as a parent what they are going through. So she needs our love and support. Can we give it to her? The other thing is that yes, I did send the Mummy Boo box. I was so excited. She got it on October 30th. So she got it a little early, and because I have my boutique that I'm trying to load up, especially for Black Friday and the kickoff of shopping, I sent her a little stuffed toy as well because my heart is with her and her family at this time. So that made me tear up. The thing that really bothered me was the other winner was out of the country. And as a lot of you know, I am really financially strapped, and even now being able to get back into my Dollar Tree hauls and my crafting, my family and my friends have stepped up and sent me a gift card so that I can continue on bringing everything that I want to share with all of you, because I'm working so hard to get back on my own feet from being off battling my cancer journey. So fingers crossed things just start to get better, and thank you to everyone that sends me cards, and those little Dollar Tree gift cards are one of my favorite things because I get to go and buy some things that I'm sharing with you today. The other thing that I wanted to mention is, yes, I had my boutique, so I have a lot of items that I can give away, and I do want to share them with all of you. So when you are watching my videos, it doesn't matter what video it is, if you hear this, that means there's going to be a giveaway. So I thought it would be really fun to add that music, and all you have to do is invite your friends and family and comment below that I invited my friends and family. So if you comment on the post, and each week I will try to draw a name on Saturdays just so that we know and keep it uniform, that if I do it in midweek, or maybe I'll do 2, there will be 2 drawings. So to the person that won the t-shirt, I want to apologize from the bottom of my heart because it was very expensive to ship it, but I have it for you. And when I have it to ship, because it was very expensive, it was over $20 to ship to another country, I was not expecting that. That will be the only one that I will send out of these states, because I want to give, but I can't afford to add more to my financial burden at this time. But I know that it's yours. I have your address. As soon as I'm able, I will get it to you. I know you won't be able to enjoy it this year, which you probably wouldn't have gotten it in time anyway. That's not an excuse. I'm not trying to excuse it, but you will have it for next year. And I promise you from the bottom of my heart, if I tell you I'm going to do something, it means a lot to me. It bothered me that I didn't have it to send it because my mortgage was due. I'm being honest. You know, when you see me, this is who I am, and I just want to be honest with all of you. So keep in mind that as we progress over these next 65 days, I'm going to teach you DIYs. I'm going to help you make some custom gifts. I will show you where to get the supplies if you can't get them. And I'm also going to share some things on Etsy. So some of you might not be able to do certain things, but you want to, and I will help you by being able to sell those supplies to you. So you want to subscribe, and you want to make sure that when you hear our little song, that we're doing a giveaway, okay? So you'll have to watch the videos, and when I start to play that song, you know that if you share and you comment below, I invited, that means that you will be entered into the drawing for that week. I'm not going to say what it is because I don't want people to say, well, I don't care about that, I don't want it. I just want to be able to share what I have. Some might even be some Dollar Tree hauls because I have a lot of things from even before I got sick that I would like to give away to some of you that really, really could use it or enjoy it. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to get started on our craft Dollar Tree haul. So I have Dollar Trees all around me, and some of them do have a big craft section, but it's the same stuff over and over. I am in Indiana quite a bit, and I was in Cherville visiting, and I stopped in their Dollar Tree on Route 30 in Indianapolis Boulevard, and I hit the craft mother lode. I was like in awe. I didn't have enough, of course, to buy everything that I wanted, but I did pick up a few items I want to share with all of you because I was really, really surprised. So I have a project coming up, and I wanted to share with all of you. This is the cork roll, okay? So I'm going to share some projects soon that I'm going to use this on, and I paid 40% off because it was $4.99, and I got 40% off, so I paid $3 for it, right? Something like that. I go to this Dollar Tree and look what they have. They have the sheets of the cork, which is really, really nice. Not that this isn't, but the sheets that you can just easily trace on. But these are really, really nice. And on the back side is just adhesive. So you can either, it just says plastic bag can be dangerous. So I'm assuming that it either has an adhesive because it's got a white backing, or you can just take hot glue and you can glue it to whatever surface you're doing, whether it's you know, a lot of people don't want to scratch their desk or their table, and they can even put these on the bottom of like little coasters and things like that. So that's why I picked that up. Then I got these, which I was really surprised because last year I got some and they were much smaller feet. So look at how cute these big feet are. And yes, we have a project coming up. So again, in the next 65 days, I wanted to be able to help all of you go and check all these things out. Now these I thought were really, really cute. You can use these for a lot of different things. The chalk tags, you can even use these as a gift tag for the holidays, and you can do some kind of like silhouette. But I do have a few projects coming up that I can share with all of you, and I thought it would be fun to use as an ornament, but I'll share that with you soon. I do have this glue gun, and because I am an actual LLC business, I have a wholesale license where I can go and buy more of these. This gun is super duper hot, and I got these glue sticks at Dollar Tree. So if any of you have purchased this glue gun from me, I will add it again. I'm starting to rebuild my website. I was focusing more on Etsy with some t-shirts and things like that, but I want to be able to carry these supplies for all of you so that if you want something, you can get them. But these are the glue sticks for this particular gun, and this gun is very hard to find. It has an off and on switch, which is really, really nice, and it's super duper hot, which makes it great for different projects. So I did get 2 of those. I was really surprised to find those. I've never seen these before. How cool are these? They are bamboo cutting boards, and yes, I have an idea for these, so I got 2 of them. I've never seen these at another Dollar Tree before. Maybe some of you have, but these are great for a project as well. And they had a lot of these different types of wood things. So if you stay tuned, after I'm done showing you what I have, I did take some snapshots in the store so that you can see what else they had and what you might want to look out for. So I got this one here, which would be a nice plaque for like a teacher if you wanted. You could put some vinyl on here. So I'll do a project and I'll show you how to do that one. I thought that this was really unique. It says glue and residue eraser. So I haven't opened it up yet, but you know when you're working on something and there might be some kind of residue on it, I would think that this is just like a soft pad that maybe wouldn't scratch glass or something and ruin your project. So they have these, which I thought was kind of cool. Then I got, of course, the red truck is coming out, and they have so many cute things. So I got the Dashing Through the Snow for the kitchen. I thought this was really cute. And they had a few things. I think they had pot holders that matched this as well. But I only got one just to show you all. If you're looking for stocking stuffers, I got these last year for the kids. They really like them. And I thought these were kind of cute. My son can wear these. They are the shark, and they have the different emojis. So this is the laughing emoji. But you have to look in the sock section. These aren't like in... I noticed that they're just starting to add these more to that section with the t-shirts and things like that. So I thought this was really, really cute. I think they had these last year. I can't say 100%, but I thought that this was really, really cute. It is a little scarf, but if you were making something and a wreath and you wanted to add something that looked like Santa, they have the little jingle bells in there, or you could wear it yourself. It is a nice soft, like a velvet feeling. So they have these. This is the first year I am seeing these, and these are the little Santa feet. So you could make a wreath and you can do the Santa feet with these. How cute are these? And they're pretty big. And this was the first year. These were hanging on the end cap of their Christmas because they got this little loop on it. And it's actually like a little bracelet. Let's see what they call this. It just says door hanger. So here I'm putting, yeah, doorknob right here. So this is a door hanger, but I'm wearing it as a bracelet. Okay. Then I got this little box. They have all kinds of little boxes like this. So I think this would be really, really cute for the kids. What I thought would be fun is to kind of finely paint this with a real thin paintbrush. And then what you can do is you can add, paint right here with some glue, add some glitter, and then do around the eyes with glitter. So I thought this was a fun little box to give away as a jewelry box. The only thing you want to remember when you're painting these is normally these lids fit on the raw edge. So don't paint it the way it is with the lid on it, because you want the wood itself to show so that it fits back on here snugly. Because I've had that happen where I've tried different things, and even if you're doing the napkin method, or you're doing anything that's like even scrap paper, that little bit, even though it's like such a small amount, it will make a difference in how the lid goes on. So keep that in mind if you're going to do these for a gift or even for yourself. They have these, which I thought were really, really cute. They have them in green, or they have them in the red, the ho ho ho. On the back side, if you want it, I have a few projects coming up. You'll have to stay tuned and watch and see what I do, but there's a few things that I had in mind with these. So this is really cute as well. Then they had these stencils, which I was surprised because I've never seen these. So these would be really cute to do on wood. And what you can do is get that round sponge, and you can tape this to your wood, and you can, because if you paint this on, it might be a little funky, but if you take that little blotter and you tape this down to your wood and you blot the paint on, it'll probably work a lot better. And then on this side are other little figurines. So this is perfect to do on wood, and you might even want to do it on the wood that I had just shown you guys. Where did that go? You know what I mean, the different wood that I just showed you. I don't know where I put it. But anyway, yeah, so you can buy those little wood things and you can do this on it like that. Then I got this one. So for instance, this is an apple for the teacher. And what you could do if you wanted is you can add, what I mean, like a stencil on here. And you can put her name on it, or you can color it. And then you can use like the Mod Podge like gloss coat. And she can put her pens and pencils in there. So this is the little apple, because teachers get a lot of the same things over and over again. Then I saw these little lights. I thought these were kind of cute. These are the little Santa Claus lights, and they are battery operated. This would look really cute in a wreath, or even if you do some kind of a display with the glass and you want to wrap them inside and then you put your flowers in there. That would be really pretty. Then I got this, which is Pop Dot tape. So this looks like, it's kind of hard to see. There are two different sizes in here, but it's an adhesive tape. So you get one of the thinner ones, and this would be kind of nice to, even if you're working on something like this and you want to press it down while you're working, these are really nice. And again, this is all at that store on Cherville. In Cherville, I should say. They had these, but these are always nice when you need to hold something down and you need to clamp it so that it dries. We made last year, I'll put the video below, we did the little zipper with the seat cushions. So I'll put that video below in case you want to check that out, because that was really cute. It was like a little cosmetic case. I made it for my son's girlfriend. She gave one to one of her family members, and they can stick, pencils or whatever in there. So you just buy the seat covers, and we put a zipper on there. So that video is below if you want to see that. And I have two more things left. These are the craft dowels. Now, I just bought a pack of these at Hobby Lobby as well, so when I saw these, I was really, really shocked. Yes, I have a video coming up using these. You will have to stay tuned. Again, every night there's going to be a new video I hope is helpful. I want you to sell. I want you to be able to make beautiful gifts, and I'm going to be sharing other crafters because they have great ideas, and I really, really love to being able to say, this inspired me, and I want you to see how they made it, because we should be giving credit. If you're going to redo something, make sure you give credit to the original crafter. YouTube is big on copyright, and I have to say thank you to my followers. When I was sick, there were people that were copying my videos and YouTube shut them down because you cannot do that without someone's permission. So I try to always be kind. And if you notice in the beginning of my videos, I even thank the person that you're taking the music from. Unless it's from YouTube, you cannot do that. It's a copyright. So they're big on that. And I want to share other crafters because some of them, everybody has their own unique style, and I'm sure they have some great gifts that you might want to make this year as well. So you will see some of them throughout my 65 days of sharing different videos. So yes, we have a project coming up with these. And last but not least, I have to say, these are one of my favorite wine glasses. Now you can do all kinds of different things with these with vinyl. I have an idea I'm going to share with all of you. I don't know why, I really like this glass. I like drinking out of it. I know it probably sounds so stupid, but I really like these glasses. So you are going to have to go and check these out and see if you can find them, because I'm sure I'm not the only one that likes this glass. It's just, I like the way it feels. I like the way my wine goes in it. So there's a lot of fun things that you can make and give as gifts. So these are at Dollar Tree as well. And we have a lot of fun things coming up. So stay tuned. And don't forget, when you hear, that means that I am going to be doing a giveaway. So you will have to wait for the music in my videos to comment below that I have invited and shared and I want to be in, and let's have some fun and spread some holiday cheer this season. And yes, this is royalty-free music because I watch copyright. I don't take things that aren't mine without permission. So with all of that, I will see all of you really soon, and happy holidays as we begin this season. Bye now.